Some hard nuts operate up there, Jack. I smell trouble, boy. What are you going for?
To find out what happened.
Jack Carter. What you doing around here, then?
I'm visiting relatives.
Heard you've been making a nuisance of yourself.
I'd like a word with you, Jack. What do you want to tell me? Somebody doesn't want me poking my nose into something.
Who paid you to see me off?
You're a big man, but you're in bad shape. With me, it's a full-time job.
You didn't know you had a fairy godmother, did you?
It seems you're concerned about the death of your brother.
The only reason I came back to this crap house was to find out who did it. And I'm not leaving till I do. They killed my brother. It's... Oh!